Hi friends! Welcome to the Read and Learn channel. Today we'll read fun, rhyming stories with the short vowel U. Let's enjoy these awesome tales together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's read together. A bug in the rug. A bug hid in a rug. The rug was snug and snug. The bug gave a little hug. The rug stayed warm and snug. Now read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let's read together. The pup in the tub. A pup sat in a tub. The tub was full of suds. The pup liked the rub. It wagged its tail with love. Now read it by yourself. Good job! Let's read together. A fun run. A kid went for a run. The run was full of sun. He jumped and had fun. Then he danced when it was done. Now read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let's read together. A cup and a mug. A cup sat next to a mug. The mug had tea, not a slug. The cup had juice with a plug. Both were shared with a tug. Now read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let's read together. The big hug. A cub hugged mom. The hug was warm and snug. Mom smiled and gave a tug. The cub felt safe and snug. Now read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let's read together. A drum for a fun hum. A boy had a big drum. He hit the drum and hummed. The sound was full of fun. The hum and drum made him run. Now read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let's read together. The bug and the tub. A bug fell in the tub. It floated on a little nub. The water gave it a rub. The bug hopped out with a hug. Now read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let's read together. The sun is up. The sun is up in the sky. A boy jumps up high. He waves and says goodbye. Then he runs fast, no lie. Now read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let's read together. A bun for fun. The bun was soft and warm. It smelled great on the farm. The kids ate it with charm, then shared and avoided harm. Now read it by yourself. Good job!
Yay!
Let's read together. The cub in the mud. A cub played in the mud. The mud was thick and snug. The cub had fun with a bug. Then they cleaned up in a tub. Now read it by yourself. Amazing!
Yay!
Wow! You did such a great job reading all the stories with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you next time on the Read and Learn channel. Bye!